Here's the third and last movement of the classic sonatina. So I'm going to start my left hand here on the C position and my 3 on the high G. So here's middle C for reference. We're going to go all the way to this G. It's going to be a fast one, and let's take a listen. Down to G scale. C, G, C, G, C. Down an octave. Let's start from the beginning again. With our right hand 3 on this G, you're going to notice my 3 in right hand will be stepping down step by step. So follow me from this G. F, skipping, E, skipping, D, skip, skip. Move my thumb to C, D, same as the beginning. We're going to move our 3 back to G. And thumb back to C. Now, to the second page, you're going to notice we're playing G scale. So my left hand 4 is the leader, G. And my thumb joins it right beside the left hand, D. Move to C. Next, G, C, G, G, C. And 5 on D, down the scale to G. Left hand, thumbs on G. Now 3 goes back to this G, G. Thumb goes to C. Thumb, or the 3, moves back to G. Thumb goes back to C. Thumb to E. F, G, A, B, C, F, D. Play the C chord up here. Go down an octave. Go to the middle. End with an F scale. Now to the left hand, we're going to start our left hand on C position. So we have C, E, and G jump together. 1 and 3. 1 and 2. 1 and 5. 1 and 2. Do the G scale again from here. G, right, C, right, And move your left hand thumb to G. Jump on the C position. Next page, 1 and 3. And let's go to the last line. I start with the right hand on the C chord, and left hand joins right here, E flat, G, and a B flat. Hold that down. Move everything down an octave. Right, E flat. Move it down. Right, E flat. A scale, and go down to the C position together.